Hello and welcome back to another video, where we'll be discussing how to check your balance with block explorers when you're using the Atomic Wallet. So you have no idea how to check transactions and are afraid of technical stuff like hashes and block explorers, right? Well, if that's you, this guide can help you out. First things first, the Atomic Wallet is a decentralized application, which allows you to interact with the blockchain and securely store and manage your cryptocurrencies. So the essence of today's video is to highlight what you can do if you are not able to see your wallet balances. I know the first thing you're gonna do is freak out, but don't panic, at least not at first, because there might be a few different ways that this is happening. Here's what you need to know. One of the most frequent reasons could be a connection issue. In that case, you might just need to refresh your wallet or use a VPN. But don't worry that your funds aren't showing, because they're still on the blockchain and our funds are 100% safe. This may occur if some services are blocked in your region, which we'll discuss later in this video. Another reason why you might not be able to see your balances, or it is displaying an incorrect balance, is due to a connection problem within the app. This is an internal service problem, and you shouldn't need to worry about anything. Your funds are completely safe, and the Atomic team is certainly fixing the issue as fast as possible. They're gonna make it so that all of your balances and all of your transactions are gonna show up just fine. While technical issues are bound to occur with just about any technology, you can rest assured that the Atomic team will release updates and fixes quickly. But you might wonder how to check balances if you can't see them in the app. Don't worry, I'm here to help. So let's get started with some troubleshooting, where I'll show you how to check your crypto balances. If you have no idea what a block explorer is, it's an archive compilation of all the transactions on the blockchain. So if you find yourself in this situation, the first thing that you're gonna have to do is find the specific address for the specific coin in the app. For instance, if you can't see your Bitcoin balance, search for Bitcoin in the Atomic Wallet and click on it. You will then see two options, send and receive. Click on receive and you should be able to see your Bitcoin address. Unless you want to memorize the whole thing, you can just click the copy button. Step 2. The next step is to visit the Block Explorer website. There, we would paste the address that we copied in step 1 into the search bar. You could also use other blockchain explorers if you wish, since they will display the same information about your transaction. Step 3. You'll now be able to browse through each transaction and find their timestamps and the amount of Bitcoin that was sent. But let's discuss transactions a little bit more. When you send funds, you are identified as the sender, and the recipient is the person's wallet address to whom you have sent the funds. Your transaction status is pretty much in correlation to the displayed message, whether it's pending, confirmed, or failed. So pending would mean that it's still in progress. Confirmed would tell you that it's already been processed and the transaction went through. And failed would mean that the transaction did not go through. The transaction hash is a code that contains even more detailed information about your transaction. There you'd be able to see information such as the amount, the timestamp, the wallet address, and transaction status, as well as some other information. And just a quick note, to see your transaction information, you will need to use the transaction hash. This can be found in the History tab of your wallet. Simply replace your wallet address with your transaction hash. Remember that this can be applied to any coin that is available in the Atomic Wallet. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. We hope you've learned a lot, and importantly, we hope you learned how to check your transaction details, such as the timestamps, the sender, recipient fees, etc., if you've sent a transaction. In this video, we showed you how to check your balances on the Block Explorer and all the transaction history using the Atomic Wallet. Remember that if you can't see your balances in your wallet, don't freak out. Remember, your funds are completely safe on the blockchain, and you can use the Block Explorer to find them. But if you need any additional support or assistance, be sure to contact our support staff. That's what they're there for. Someone will be glad to assist you as quickly as possible. You can find all the links in the video description below. So yes, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, they're all very complicated. But we hope that you've learned a little bit and are starting to understand a little bit more. If you want to keep learning, be sure to stay up to date on this channel. Be sure to hit subscribe, because we're going to take a deep dive into how to use Atomic Wallet in our next videos. Have some suggestions for us? Do you like the mustache? Should I shave the mustache? Do let us know in the comments below.